These are some of the other elevators, cars 10 and 11. Oh, there we go. Okay, this is car number 10. Okay, I just now finished opening. I could turn off the light. Come on. That indicator doesn't work. Wow, this takes forever to close. I might not even... Wow, that's ridiculous. Okay, well. This window. This was the one that had the funny chime. Not anymore though. Take it back up to 4. The other one's up top, so it'll probably transfer up there. If it moves, it moves. This door timer sucks. Doesn't help that door close doesn't work. Alright, we'll get the ride up. This one sounds great. Alright, we'll take it down to, where did that one go? That's going down to, the 2nd floor, I think. We do have phones. Good lord. I don't like this one that much, to be honest. I like the chime. Can I speed it up? Is it still here? Oh, counterweight. It's in my face. Okay, we'll send you up. We'll pull down. And we'll take a quick whirl on this one down and then up to 4. This is like Broadway Mall. They don't have the windows on the inside of the doors. These feel like innovation security. Okay, this door timer's not as bad. We'll get the caveat. I never actually got a chance to do a caveat on any of these. It's your typical mall shopping center elevators. Whoa, what the hell? Okay, lit. Oh, it's quite the bouncy stop there. Let's see what it does going up. No, it doesn't do it. It doesn't have crazy stop going up. Up. Up? Where are you going?
Third.
Third?
Thank you.
You're welcome. There's the counterweights. Someone ring it here?
Just a second.
I guess not. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a good day. There are freights here. You could have used it. Don't worry, I'm gonna get the freights. At least some of them. There's Macy's down there. That's one of my next stops. All right. There it goes. You can see the machine up there. All right, that's it.